Someone once asked me, if imagination is the only power, then what about magic, rituals, and unseen forces? I said, there is only one power in this world, the power of imagining. You can burn incense, you can say prayers, you can call upon any name you please. It is all one thing, imagination at work. Everything that has ever been created, whether it be good, bad, or indifferent, was created by the power of imagining. Man is all imagination, and God is man's imagination. The world and all within it are yourself pushed out. All that you behold, though it appears without, it is within, in your imagination, of which this world of mortality is but a shadow. Man invents all kinds of intermediaries, angels, spirits, masters, and gives them power, but he does not know that he is the operant power. Man looks for signs from without to prove that the law has worked, but it is his inner movement that causes the outer world to reflect. I tell you, there is no other God. Your own wonderful human imagination is Him. All things exist in imagination and are brought to pass by imagination. Prayer is not magic or superstition. It is the recognition of your own creative power. The moment you imagine a state and feel it real, you have summoned into being that which before had no existence. You need not perform any ritual, for the act itself, imagining and accepting it as true, is the only creative act there is. Do not look for signs from without. Signs follow, they do not precede. A man imagines wealth, then looks to the stock market for proof. Yet it is his inner acceptance that moves the market, not the other way around. The world cannot move until you have moved in imagination. For the outer world is forever the visible image of your inner assumptions. To believe in any power outside yourself is to remain a slave to the shadow world. You are the cause of everything that happens to you. If you know what you want, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and walk in that assumption as though it were true. Persist not to make it so, but because it is so. Then you will discover that imagination truly creates reality, and that there is no other power. The God you formerly worshipped as something outside yourself is your own consciousness. You are the dreamer, dreaming the dream of life, and all the people in it are yourself pushed out. When man discovers that his awareness is God, he feels a reverent awe. You have found Him whom the world calls God, your own wonderful human imagination.